welcome back, my friends. How are you guys doing today? So today we got an exciting unboxing for y'all. So this is from HelloIce. So I'm pretty excited to check this out. Comes in a nice little box here, and you guys might be wondering, well, what is it? Well, let's go ahead and open it up. So they have a ton, and I mean basically any and everything you possibly could think of, they sell, as far as jewelry, necklaces, and watches. And I'm telling you guys, you got to check them out. So we got a nice order from them. So let's go ahead. It comes in this nice little bag. Ooh. I've been very curious to check out the quality of everything, and here we go. Ooh. Alright guys, so check this out. That is awesome. This is a sword pendant. That's pretty sweet. With a crown on it. It reminds me of the Knights Templar. That's why I picked it out. And it comes with a gold chain. That's a pretty nice gold chain. I like that. Yeah, that's nice. So what you do is you just pop this open. You feed this through. Well, that's sharp. That is really nice looking, my friends. What I like about this chain is the size is big enough that we don't have to take it on and off every time. We just put it around. Oh yeah, that's awesome, guys. Yeah, I love that. That is cool. And over here we have a throwing knife pendant. So something you would probably see from Naruto. And that also comes with a chain as well. Now the nice thing about their pendants, it looks like all the loops are big enough that, you know, if we wanted to swap out this sword, we could go ahead and put that on here as well. But it also comes with this chain that is adjustable. So that is a plus. So guys, overall, quality is actually really nice. I do like this a lot. And I'm telling you guys, you gotta check them out. You gotta. They have stuff for men, women, whatever you classify yourself as, they have something for you. I mean, and the stuff is nice. Really nice. That is cool. That is cool, my friends. Check them out.